How to remove apps and files from your Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To remove the app, go to your home screen and then hold on to the app you want to delete, which will open these options. Click on uninstall at the top. After that, click on OK and it will remove app from your device. And if you want to remove files, simply go to the File app. You'll find all your files in here. Select the file you want to delete. Hold on to the file and press on Trash-like option at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, you'll find Move File to Trash at the bottom. Click on it and it will be removed from your device. This is how to remove apps and files from your Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.